Hey, how's it going? I got another new paintball gun. It's the Tippmann Alpha Black. So it came in the box. There's the box. I took it out. You get a side feeder with it. Which goes on like right about here. And sights aren't too good. It has one sight that to line up with. I really don't like it, but I don't know. It's alright. It's kind of like my other gun, the Carver one. Same features, same how it cocks. This one has a little magazine looking thing. Let me set the camera down for a second. Alright. Now, this was the magazine. It has a little button right here. Oh, you can't, I can't see it. Yeah, you can. You push on the button, it pops out, and this opens up, and you can... Fuck it, I don't care. You can put Allen wrenches in there. So it's good for on the field. Pain in the ass to put back in. 11-inch barrel. Yeah, 11-inch. Pretty big. I haven't shot it yet, but it looks like a nice, good gun. I actually got it. It says 119 here. I got it for 50 bucks. It was on clearance at Kmart. Well, add to that, it's a regular basic gun. No electric grip or anything like that. Alright, there it is.